Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I got 3 Hot Wheels today. But yeah, today we're gonna open them. So today, I have got this custom Ford Mav rack maybe. But yeah, here it is. It's pretty cool. It is from the Hot Wheels Flame set. And also the packaging is like very small too. It's pretty nice. But yeah, put it right there. And next, we got the 2019 Corvette Zr1 Convertible. I can turn it into a convertible. Okay, here it is. The 2019 convertible Zr1 Convertible. But yeah, this car is pretty nice. It's from the factory fresh. Like, you know, pack, I guess. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Next, I got this Dodge van from the Drift series. I don't get it. How would a van drift? Excuse me, huh? Oh, wait, guys. Like, this is pretty cool. I like this van. But also, I got another one there, too. And also, realize all the Godzilla's are up there. But yeah, let's open one. Okay, you know what? I'm going to do random. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tail on the toe. Okay, that one, I guess. Okay. The custom 4GT Madback. But yeah, let's open them up. Okay, we got them open. Take a little bit of that off. Okay, here. Oh, that's actually pretty smooth. But yeah, here is the custom Ford Mav back. This car looks pretty nice, you know. But wait, guys. Okay, now that's it. But yeah, this car is pretty nice. It's got a nice kind of flat black color. And I love these like flames too. And it's also got like some orange color on the back here and also the inside of the car. The car looks kind of different, you know. Like, I like it, you know. It has these little like weird things here, these little dot things, I don't know. The car just looks like fully different, like, it's pretty nice. I actually like this car, you know. Like, just look at the face, how different it is. Like, this car is like completely changed. But yeah, I love it. This is put you here. Oh, but yeah, and also the base of the car is also kind of gray too. Next car is money more catch your tail on the toe. Okay, van. Okay, here we got the Dodge van right here from the Drift series. But yeah, we're gonna open it, and also here's the back too. It's the second car in the series. So, but yeah, let's open them up. And also wait, this is the 50th car. And also guys, see here, look, I have the last Hot Wheels. See, there are 250 Hot Wheels, and this is the last Hot Wheel. But yeah, mostly I buy like real Hot Wheels, like real cars, kind of. But yeah, let's open them up, pop them open. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's just take you off for this here. But yeah. Oh. But yeah, guys, here is a Dodge van. This car, I completely love it. Like, this car's kind of got this weird green kind of military color. And it's also got these little kind of, like, black marks. Like, the car, it's like the car has rust on it. Like, see these little black parts? It's like these little kind of rust kind of black parts. And it makes it really cool. And also, look at the top of the car, too. Here, look. There's a big window on the top. So, come look. Look on the top. Look at that. What we have in here is like some car that's like, I don't know what that is. Oh, now I know what that is. It's there's a go-kart in there. Look at that. There's like some go-kart in there and there's some extra wheels. Bruh, this car is sick too. It's even got these little tiny things here. But yeah. Oh, completely love this car. But yeah, last car is obviously this one. I think you can leave this running on that. So let's open up. Wait. Okay, here is a 2019 Corvette Convertible. So yeah, let's put it right here. But yeah, this car is pretty nice, you know. It's got like some orange color. It's even got this. Oh, it's even got some like carbon fiber. What? Look, there's some carbon fiber here. And also look at that. There's carbon fiber on a Hot Wheel. And let's just guys, I like the spoiler, you know, it's a little bit weird and different. But yeah, the car is pretty nice, you know, not too bad. It's even got this little, you know, kind of spoiler kind of thing on the front. here. But yeah, and also the car looks happy too. But yeah, pretty nice car. It's perfect. But yeah, but yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Comment. No, not really comment. But remember, I also have a gaming channel. It's Zamir Gaming 101. And also like and subscribe to that channel or eat your cookies. Okay, bye bye. You obviously did not forget I'll do this, huh? Oh man, I love a Vandal. It's my fave. Boom. Bye bye. Bye. Ah. Little dinosaur.